there's going to be...
I don't know about you, Chris, Air Force None, but if the sign says do not enter, we're going to enter anyway.
It's like don't press the button.
Damn.
What's the other one say? Right.
Unfit for occupancy, manager failed to apply for permits. Maintain construction and plumbing without permits. Notice of violation. Wow. Okay. So we're here, a little background, Chris. Air Force None. We're here on behalf of Alliston Technology.
Structure unfit for human occupancy.
Yeah.
Do not enter.
I know. So we're here for American Standard water heaters, their commercial division. Apparently there are 2 brand new water heaters installed in this premises with all these unfit for occupancy warnings all over it. Like, if you enter a building and it says this, do not enter, are you going to go inside?
Well, we're paying.
Damn. Here's more. Replace water damaged gypsum board insulation. Work begun without building permit. Apparently, the town of Hempstead does not like these people. That's closed. All right. Hey, how you guys doing? You're the plumber.
Yeah.
What's up with all the notices on the doors?
They had a flood here how many months ago?
Oh, almost a year ago now.
And had to evacuate the people. This was all flooded. It knocked everything out.
But the violations are still open though.
The town of Hempstead.
Everybody's back in the building. They just haven't taken the things off yet.
It's crazy.
Okay, let's look at the unpermitted water heaters then.
Flood got so bad they had to put this up so it wouldn't.
So you had 2 cyclones.
Yep. So let me just give you a little.
I'm listening.
So I would say every month or every 6 weeks, I get a call saying, "Hey Gene, we have no hot water." And I come in, I flip the paddle switch off, it resets itself, and kicks back on.
Yeah. Starting to discolor. Yeah. So you reset it and it works.
Yeah, for about another few weeks, I get a call, "Gene, back out again."
8:25 in the morning. Across the street from the apartments with 2 of these. All right, custodial closet. We have our American Standard atmospheric burning draft water heater and confined space. No venting, no fresh air. And the issue was flame rollout. As you can see, we have some discoloration there. There's charring. But the problem here is confined space without adequate combustion air. Let's get the model and serial number, which is right there. And we're in the firehouse, Elmont Fire Department. Air Force None, I don't understand. You had this quote-unquote plumber who installed those two American Standard water heaters. I'm sure he meant well, but improperly installed. And then, across the street, oh, not to even mention all the stop work orders and then no permits for anything. And by the way, all the violations are still open. Because otherwise the stickers wouldn't be there. Trust me, no one wants those things plastered on their front door. So that's what happens, you know. You hire someone do unlicensed, probably an unpermitted work. Definitely unpermitted because it said it right there. Plumbing and drywall without permits. All right, they said they had a flood down there, and you know those boilers look brand new too.
It's funny he said that the stickers are still there because they just haven't removed them yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a reason they haven't removed.
There's a reason why it says it's unsafe to enter and do not occupy. But people are living there anyway because, you know, they need places to live. I don't blame them. And then we go to the building across the street, which is the Elmont Fire Department. And you have another one, an American Standard water heater in the custodial closet in the 3rd floor. Basically a confined space, and you had flame rollout occur because you had improper venting, which then set off the fire alarm, the fire suppression system, and then the fire department came to their own building to put out their own fire. That's actually epic, by the way. I wish I get some video of that where like you get the calls dispatched like 1021, 1040. We had a fire alarm going off at the Elmont Fire Department.
Yeah, the call center's just right in the other room.
I know, like they call themselves like, oh, like, pick up 2 phones. Oh. Oh man, but what were these people thinking? Unbelievable. I'm not going to say that hacks bring me stacks because we're out here for the American Standard Water Heater Company commercial division. But listen, 2 service calls, 2 hours of labor, not too shabby. Not too shabby. All right, guys, be well. God bless. Stay safe.